Hey everyone, I'm Patryk. I work as an SMP technician and today I want to break down 5 common myths about SMPs and what the reality actually looks like. A lot of people think SMPs are expensive, risky, or replace in-house IT. Let's clear up the truth. MSPs are too expensive. This is the biggest misunderstanding. The truth is, MSPs can actually be cheaper than running everything in-house. You get predictable fixed monthly pricing, access to a full team of different specialities, less downtime, and fewer surprise emergencies. Hiring even one specialized IT person can cost more than a full MSP package. MSPs put your data at risk. This could not be further from the truth. A good MSP is the opposite. They make your data safer. They handle things like firewall, antivirus, backups, patching, 24/7 monitoring, and incident response. For many small businesses, this is more secure than what they could handle alone. Myth 3. MSPs use one-size-fits-all solutions. Maybe bad MSPs do, but real MSPs solutions. They look at your business goals, problems, workflow, and long-term growth. The point isn't just to fix issues, it's to create an IT strategy that supports how you work. Switching to an MSP causes confusion. People think MSPs come in and create chaos, but a good MSP does the opposite. They bring structure. They help document your systems, streamline communication, organize tickets, and remove all the guesswork. And if you already have an in-house IT person, the MSP works with them, not against them. MSPs replace your in-house IT team. This one is completely false. MSPs aren't here to fire your IT people. They're there to support them. They handle routine tasks like patching, monitoring, backups, endpoint support. So your internal IT team can focus on upgrades, projects, cybersecurity, scaling, and planning. It makes the whole IT department more productive. So those are the 5 biggest myths about SMPs and what the reality actually looks like. If you want more IT industry videos, SMP tools, or technician guides, hit the like button and subscribe. I'm Patryk, and thanks for watching.